Hello YouTube, I Fix It All here, Team I Fix It All. So I was looking through all my paperwork on my refrigerator because have you ever had a door seal where your magnets don't work anymore? And I went to eReplacementParts.com and was shopping around looking for a solution that won't down the refrigerator for a significant amount of time because we only have one refrigerator. And the door seal takes a little bit of doing. And I thought, what's the easiest way to do this? So I got to thinking, do they sell magnetic strip? I'm dropping everything. I dropped that, which is pointless. And I dropped that, which goes up here. Do they sell magnetic strips in 1/2-inch wide format and really, really thin? Well, they do. 1/2-inch, 15 foot. And it's about a 1/16 inch thick. And the 3M backing. Turn the light on. And there's the thickness. Okay, so then how do you apply it? Well, you peel it and stick it. Well, not really. I would recommend you use some of that good and stock up on it while you can, if you still can. That good COVID-19 91% rubbing alcohol. Because I remember before COVID, the highest grade we could get was like 79%. Then this stuff popped up. I might be wrong on that, but that's what you want. And you want to clean the gasket. Hang tight. And I've just infiltrated Miss Britt's spot. Is this one of those, hey Miss Britt's, what you cooking?
I am making pumpkin bread.
Oh my goodness. So here's the patient. And listen to the door seal. Listen to this. You know when it smacks its sealing. I tried to rig up a neodymium magnet right here as a fail-safe. Put one here and then attach one here. You got to get those so perfectly aligned. It was an engineering feat. That's what I did here is I cleaned the gasket off all the way around. And I was only able to apply it to 3 sides though. The top, the outer side, and the bottom. Reason being is because there's some clearance issues back here. You can see my glue marks from the tape where I had to rip it off because it just wasn't clearancing this step where the plastic transitions around the corner and then there's sheet metal on top. This gasket was getting folded like that. So I decided to just see how it worked with this stopping here. There is a gap. This magnetic strip is no longer magnetic right through here. I could partially remagnetize it by rolling this stack of neodymium magnets against it, by rolling it down like I'm holding it. You'll know you got it right when that magnet on the door strip tries to repel. You'll know you have your pole correctly your poles, but roll it down. I don't know why it's skipping. Yeah, but roll it down the strip. That way you can reestablish north and south pole. So that's how you do it. Clean that old gasket off real good with alcohol, and then get you some something that's got some name brand sticky back on it. First step though is open your door and let that gasket warm up. And you may risk losing some temperature inside the fridge for a while, but you want to be cleaning this off really well so that when you do this sticky back tape magnet strip, you're increasing the chance that it's going to really stick real well. So that's it. So that was $11 to fix that, and free shipping and a little bit of rubbing alcohol. I've got an error right here. So there's a gap. I don't like that, but we're just happy the door is closing now. Boom. Because it's tough sitting there trying to rig up a way to keep your refrigerator door, keep it closed. All right, guys, see ya. Bye.